everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope all of you are fit and fine at your place. Today we are going to discuss about another classification of nouns, and this is about the nouns which we can count and the nouns which we cannot count. So based upon this, we have two types of nouns. Let's see. First one is countable nouns and the second one is uncountable nouns. First, let's read about countable nouns. So the name itself suggests that the things which we can count, okay, which we are able to count. So there are some things which we can count. For example, boy, girl, apple, cycle. We say one boy, four girls, three apples, or two cycles. So we all know that we can count boys, we can count girls, we can say three girls, four girls, five girls. We can count another things like cycle, table, chair, pen, pencils. All these are countable nouns. So all those things, persons which we can count, so those come under this category of countable nouns, okay. Then we have uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns, these are there are certain things that we can count and certain things which we cannot count, but we can weigh them. So for example, eggs are countable, sugar is not. Spoon is countable, chocolate powder is not. So eggs we can count, we can see with our eyes that how many eggs are there. But sugar we cannot count. We always see the crystals of the sugar, so many crystals of the sugar are there. We always measure it, we always weigh it. Whenever we go to the market to buy some sugar, they never give us like this, one sugar, two sugar, no. It is always given in kilograms or grams, right? So spoon is countable. Spoons we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But chocolate powder I cannot count, okay? Chocolate powder comes in packets. It's in the powder form. We cannot count it, okay? Then cup is countable, but flour and water are not countable. We never say 1 water, 2 water, 3 water. We always say 1 glass of water, 2 glasses of water, right? But yes, cups are countable. So these examples are given to differentiate between the countable and uncountable nouns, okay? I hope it is clear to you. So uncountable nouns are some things which we cannot count. For example, water, air, wood, gold, milk, rice. We cannot say, or we do not say 2 waters, 5 airs, 6 golds, 3 rice. Have you ever spoken like this? 2 waters, 5 airs are there in the atmosphere, 6 golds. No, we never say like that. So all these are uncountable nouns, okay. Now here with these uncountable or countable nouns, there are different methods to use the quantity words, okay. So let's see the usage of the quantity words here. A or an, we all know these are the articles, okay. So these are the articles. Now we use a and for singular countable nouns where we can count the nouns, and a is used with the consonant sounds, okay, and an is used with the vowel sounds, okay. Now here a pen, per sound is coming, it is consonant sound, so we are using a. Then an apple, a. Here which sound we are getting? Vowel sound. So we have used an article, okay. So a or an both are used with the countable nouns which we can count. There we use a or an, okay. These are the quantifiers. Then comes much. We use much with non-countable nouns, like we have discussed about the non-countable nouns which we are unable to count, like sugar, rice, milk, money, knowledge. There are abstract nouns also which we cannot count, okay. So there is not much bread left on the table. We are unable to count bread, but yes, we can count a loaf of bread, okay, and we can count a slice of bread, okay, but if we talk about the bread as whole, we cannot count it, okay. So there is not much bread. Whenever we want to quantify it, we will always say much. We use much in questions and negative sentences. For example, how much rice is left? We are asking question about the quantity of the rice that are left. So how much rice is left? Answer, there isn't, this is not the answer, sorry, this is another example. There isn't much water in the bottle, okay. So this is in negative sense. All right. Now next we have any, okay. So any is usually used in the negative sense and in questions with countable and non-countable nouns. So whenever we are talking about any thing in negative way, or we are asking any question with countable or uncountable nouns. Now the grocery shop did not have any sugar. We are talking in the negative sense. Not is there. So any, the grocery shop did not have any sugar, okay. She doesn't have any money. Again negative sentence. Then I cannot find any spoons. Again this is negative way, okay. I don't have any pens. Again negative sense. Then there isn't any salt. This is again negative sentence. Now this is questioning sentence. Do you have any sisters? Okay. So where do we use any? In the negative sense or while asking questions with the countable or uncountable nouns. Both, with both we can use it. Then all. All, whenever we are talking about the plurals, plural nouns, there we can use all. Aman threw away all the toys. Bring all the flour here. She put all the oil in the pan, okay. Now here many, few or some. Now many, few, some are used before the plural countable. See here, many boys, a few girls, some grapes. Now here boys we can count, girls we can count, grapes also we can count. They are also used for non-countable nouns. For example, there is some oil. So we can, some where we can also use it with the uncountable nouns. We use many with plural countable nouns, plural and countable, जिनको हम गिन सकते हैं, और they are plural in number. Like many boys. Boys is plural now, but boys we can count also. So many boys were running in the ground. Then we use many in questions and negative sentences. For example, how many apples are there in the box? He doesn't have any friends. Now here, some means an indefinite quantity or indefinite number. Some is used in a positive sense with countable and non-countable nouns. Now the teacher gave him some books. Okay, this is the positive sentence, positive way. My friend asked for some money. Okay, I need some more time to complete my work. We need some more coffee. Clear? Now here, use of little and lots of. Where do we use little and lots of? Let's read. The words much, some, little and lots of are used before uncountable nouns. वो nouns जो हम गिन नहीं सकते. So for example, I have a little milk left. Can we count milk? 1 milk, 2 milk, 3 milk? No. So with uncountable nouns, we use little. She has brought lots of food. Can we count food? No, we cannot. Okay, so lots of. Okay, then come to page number 41. Here we will learn changing non-countable nouns to countable nouns. Let's see, we can change non-countable nouns to countable nouns by modifying them as follows. Water is uncountable, but we can count a jug of water. How we can convert it to countable? By adding a jug of in front of this. Then juice, a can of juice. Tea, a cup of tea. Ink, a bottle of ink. Bread, a loaf of bread, paper, a sheet of paper. Okay, so here are some words which we must use correctly: a piece of chalk, a glass of juice, a packet of chips, a bar of chocolate, a pair of scissors, a sheet of paper. Alright, so I hope the countable or uncountable nouns are clear to all of you, so you can practice doing these worksheet number 5 and 6 both. Okay, I'll get back to you soon with my next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, have a good day.